I'm doing good. What about you? I'm from east part of India. What about you? No, I am domicile from Odisha. What about you? Oh, okay, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, which? Wow. Then nice to meet you. What do you do? Wow. Then I am talking with the engineer, right? Okay, could you repeat once again your department? Okay, Amazon company, right? Okay. And how long have you been working in there? Okay, then exactly which, okay, you told me you are from Telangana, but I think you are not from South part, right? Wow, your English is not like a South part people. You speak like a different. Right, right, exactly. Because your sound, your mode of speaking, and your pronunciation not matching with South part people. Yeah, yeah, you take compliment also, and it is a feedback. Yeah, yeah. Feedback means it is exactly true. Compliment appreciation is like a motivation, right? If you if you want to encourage to someone, then we compliment and we praise and we motivate, or we means tell me, we motivate to do something extra to from extraordinary, right? Extraordinary from extra, yeah. Then it, whatever you are telling means it is my point of view, it is my feedback. Your tone, your sound, English speaking sound not similar with South part speaking, because I spoke with many South part people. If we talk with, then definitely we can identify and we can figure out they are from South part, they are from East part, they are from Northern part, right? Yeah, because of India is a languages country, all state have different languages. And who speak Tamil, their English is Tamil English, right? Who speak Marathi, their English is Marathi English. Who speak Odia, their English is Odia English. That kind of our mother tongue influence in our English, right? But your mother tongue never influence your English. I don't do anything, I'm unemployed. Yeah. I am looking and I am trying many times, but I didn't succeed. Lack of knowledge, lack of intelligence, maybe. I completed in technical field. Yeah, I completed in ETC. Did you get it? Electronics and telecommunication engineering. Yeah. What's your qualification? Yeah. What is your department name? Triple E, electrical engineer, right? Wow. Then, then do you like your profession or do you wanna change that profession? Okay. Then, are you staying in? Okay, are you working in your state or are you working in different your state? Okay. How far from your home to your workplace? Wow. Then, are you working? Are you staying in your home or are you staying in that workplace? Workplace. Yeah, because 100 kilometer is not possible to up down daily, right? Your company provide accommodation, everything? Okay, okay. Then, then your company provide only salary, right? And whatever you spend your time for accommodation, it is your money, right?